the High Court has upheld a ruling that Nadra Tabasam Almas suffered a disproportionate violation of her human rights in 2004, awarding her £100,000 in compensation. The judgment underscores a significant breach of her fundamental rights stemming from unlawful detention and subsequent restrictive conditions imposed by the Home Office. The case details a protracted ordeal for Almas, highlighting systemic flaws in the asylum process and the impact of prolonged uncertainty on an individual's well-being. The court's decision explicitly acknowledges the severity of the Home Office's actions, emphasizing the grossly disproportionate nature of the restrictions placed upon Almas. These restrictions, as detailed in the court documents, significantly impaired her ability to work, access essential resources like food, and engage in basic social interactions, effectively isolating her from society. This deprivation of fundamental rights, the court ruled, constitutes a clear violation of her human rights, warranting substantial compensation. The events leading to the court case began with Almas's reporting to an immigration center in April 20. This seemingly routine administrative act unexpectedly escalated into a distressing incident. Almas was subjected to the humiliating and unwarranted experience of being handcuffed and informed of her imminent deportation to Pakistan. Subsequently, she was detained at Yarl's Wood Removal Center for 2 weeks, a period characterized by further infringements upon her dignity and freedom. This arbitrary detention, the court found, was a pivotal point in the sequence of events that led to the violation of her rights. Following her release from Yarl's Wood, Almas sought asylum, a claim ultimately successful in 2021 when she was granted refugee status. However, the intervening period, a grueling 2 years and 9 months, was marked by restrictive conditions imposed by the Home Office. Almas testified that these conditions created an environment that resembled incarceration, impacting her mental health and severely compromising her right to family life, a right enshrined in the Human Rights Act. The court found that these conditions, imposed while her asylum claim was under consideration, were not only unduly harsh, but also constituted a further, distinct violation of her human rights. The £100,000 awarded reflects the court's recognition of the profound and lasting impact of the Home Office's actions on Almas's life. The judgment serves as a powerful condemnation of the disproportionate measures employed and underscores the necessity for a more humane and rights-respecting asylum process. It highlights the need for a more thorough review of procedures to ensure that asylum seekers are not subjected to undue hardship while their cases are being processed. The case underscores the importance of upholding fundamental human rights and the responsibility of government agencies to treat individuals fairly and with due regard for their dignity. The substantial compensation awarded serves not only as redress for Almas, but also as a cautionary message to the Home Office and a benchmark for future cases involving similar allegations of rights violations.